In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Canva, a simple process that can greatly enhance your design projects. Whether you're working on a personal project or something professional, knowing how to add images can elevate the visual appeal of your designs. So let's dive straight into the steps needed to get those images into your Canva workspace. First things first, you'll want to head over to canva.com. If you're not already signed in, just click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Now, Canva offers various ways to log in, including through Google, Facebook, or using your email address, so choose whatever is easiest and most convenient for you. Once you're in, you can either create a new design or simply open an existing one that you'd like to work on. This flexibility allows you to pick up right where you left off or start something brand new. Now, as you get settled into your design environment, look towards the toolbar at the bottom of the Canva editor. Here you'll find an option labeled Uploads. Selecting Uploads is the gateway to bringing in your personal images from your device into your design. Upon tapping Upload Files, you'll be prompted to choose an image file from your device. This step is straightforward, and once you select the image, Canva will upload it directly into your Uploads folder. It's important to note that after this successful upload, your image is readily available for you to drag and drop into any part of your design. This makes adding a personal touch or incorporating important visuals a seamless process. Alternatively, Canva offers a vast library of images under the Photos tab. If you don't see the tab immediately, you may need to swipe through the options at the bottom or tap on Apps first to locate it. This assortment of images can be incredibly useful if you're looking for professional photos or just in need of some inspiration. They have a search bar that you can use to look for specific images, or you can explore their suggested collections. Just type in a keyword and you'll have a variety of options to choose from. Once you find the image you want, simply tap on the photo and it will be instantly added to your design. This process is quick and ensures that you're never stuck without the right visual element for your project. So there you have it, 2 easy ways to insert images into Canva, whether they're from your device or directly from Canva's extensive library. This feature is not just about adding images, it's about enhancing your creative workflow. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.